All right, let's jump straight into this explainer. Today, we're cracking open 5 highly classified, deeply unsettling files. We're talking about cases that start with highly localized earthly disappearances and escalate all the way up to the ultimate cosmic unknown. We're going to track the timelines, look at the data, and see exactly where human understanding just hits a brick wall. Because you have to ask yourself this crucial question to kick things off. What if I told you there are mysteries out there so disturbing, so entirely devoid of logic that even the FBI has absolutely zero answers? When the evidence we do have actually contradicts what is physically possible, where do we even turn? Well, we're skipping the usual agenda today to jump right into it. 5 files, 0 explanations, no neat little bow ties here. We're starting small, right here on Earth, and systematically zooming out to the entire universe. Let's get into it. Section 1. Vanished without a trace. Okay, look at this comparison. On one hand, you have the completely ordinary remnants of a daily routine, a phone, a wallet, everything you need for the day. On the other, an entirely missing person. A highly successful doctor walks into his skincare clinic one morning and is quite literally never seen again. No signs of forced entry at all. And the part that really gets me, the security cameras mysteriously glitched that exact day. Something foul play, others think he vanished on purpose, but the physical evidence just stops cold. Now let's scale that exact same baffling phenomenon way, way up. In 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 vanished from radar screens. 239 people on board, and not a single distress call. No warning, just gone. The contrast here is staggering. We eventually found a few scattered pieces washed up thousands of miles away, but the main wreckage, the passengers, completely missing. It's one of the biggest aviation mysteries in human history, purely because a massive machine like that shouldn't just evaporate. Section 2. Chilling clues left behind. So it's 1959. 9 incredibly experienced Russian hikers trek up into the snowy mountains. And honestly, that was the last normal thing that happened. When rescuers finally found their camp, the tent was ripped open, but not from the outside by an animal, it was slashed from the inside. They were fleeing something in an absolute panic. Days later, their bodies were found miles away in the snow, some completely barefoot. Autopsies showed unexplained broken bones, 0 signs of a struggle, and one hiker was even missing a tongue. Experts have debated this for decades, but the sequence of events simply doesn't align with any known natural disaster. Then you have the Zodiac Killer, who literally weaponized his clues. Late 1960s California. Instead of covering his tracks, he brazenly sent coded messages straight to the newspapers. He handed us the evidence. Yet, as the decades rolled on, despite the FBI and countless experts agonizing over those ciphers, some of which are still unsolved today, by the way, he managed to slip through their fingers forever. He has never been officially identified. Moving to Section 3, the Area 51 Enigma. Now, this specific contradiction is basically ground zero for modern UFO lore. In 1947, something crashes near Roswell, New Mexico. The U.S. military's initial official report explicitly stated a flying disc was recovered. But then almost immediately, actually practically overnight, the story changed to a weather balloon. That abrupt retraction sparked nearly 80 years of conspiracy theories. The idea spread like wildfire that whatever crashed was packed up and shipped right to a highly classified base in Nevada. Which brings us to Area 51. Officially, it's a U.S. Air Force facility for testing experimental aircraft. That's the government line. But for decades, this base has been swamped by extraordinary, unverified claims from supposed witnesses. We're talking alien spacecraft recovery, hidden extraterrestrial bodies, and human scientists reverse engineering advanced tech. The government has released some documents, but the biggest secrets remain heavily classified. So these claims stay unverified, but honestly, impossible to fully debunk. Section 4. Modern UFOs and government secrecy. But here's the thing, we don't just have to rely on 1940s desert rumors anymore. In recent years, U.S. Navy pilots have captured official footage of UAPs, or unidentified aerial phenomena. And these aren't blurry, out-of-focus photos. We have military radar showing objects moving way faster than any known aircraft on Earth. They change direction instantly without slowing down, totally defying our current understanding of physics and aerodynamics. It's absolutely wild. And that leads us to what might be the most jarring official admission yet. We don't know what these objects are. That's not from some conspiracy forum. Those are official statements from government sources talking about those Navy sightings. It begs a terrifyingly simple question. If these physics-defined crafts aren't ours, then whose are they? Finally, Section 5. Are aliens already here? To really tackle that question, let's zoom out to the scientific macro level. Billions. Just sit with the sheer scale of that word for a second. Our universe has billions of galaxies, and each of those galaxies contains billions of planets. Scientists have already spotted tons of planets sitting right in the habitable zone, where life could survive. So looking at the raw statistics, the idea of alien life isn't just science fiction. Mathematically speaking, it is incredibly likely. But that statistical probability crashes headfirst into reality, bringing us to the Fermi paradox. It is the ultimate contradiction. If the math says alien life should be incredibly common in a universe of billions of planets, where is everyone? Why don't we have a single piece of verified, confirmed contact or just solid proof of visitation? Well, scientists propose a few answers. Maybe they're just way too far away to traverse the cosmic distances, or perhaps they view us the way we view ants and just don't care to contact us. Maybe they're deliberately avoiding us to let us develop naturally. But consider this theory. If a species is vastly more advanced than humanity, they wouldn't need to arrive in a massive fleet like a movie invasion. They might be observing us right now, blending into our environment, hiding deep underground or down in our unexplored oceans, completely undetected. And that is exactly where these files leave us today. I want to leave you with this final chilling thought to ponder. Are they just out there in the stars, or are they already living among us, hidden in plain sight? Let me know your theories below on the Yatlov Pass, the missing flights, or the whole Area 51 enigma. And don't forget to dive deeper into these files on your own, because the truth really is still out there, waiting to be uncovered. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning everything.